Professor Physics in the Department of Physics, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde College, Srigonda, Ahmednagar. We have started our syllabus related to SYBSc Physics, and we have started our second chapter, that is study of transistors. In that we have covered various points related to common base connection, common emitter connection, and we have also seen what is the relation between alpha and beta. In today's lecture we are going to see what is common collector connection. We know that what is common collector connection. We know that transistor is made up of three components, that is emitter, base and collector. If out of this emitter, base, collector, if we want to use this transistor in a circuit, then we will require two input terminals and two output terminals. It means that we are in need of four terminals, but our transistor is having only three terminals, and hence we are making one of its terminal as common, and in case of common collector connection, that common terminal is nothing but the collector, and hence it is called as common collector connection. Here there is one transistor, it is its emitter, here it is base and here it is collector, and we have made collector common for input junction and for output terminal of the AC signal. And then here if we observe, if we recall the presence of this resistor in a circuit in case of common base and common emitter connections, then this resistor is present in collector circuit. But in case of common collector connection, this resistance or resistor is present in emitter circuit. That we have to remember. Now there are two transistors shown here, NPN transistor and PNP transistor. Now what will be the gain of this common collector connection? The gain of the common collector connection can be found out by taking the ratio of its output current to the input current. Gain is nothing but output current to the input current. Now in case of common collector connection, here input current is nothing but IB and output current is nothing but IE. Input current is nothing but IB and output current is nothing but IE. So what will be the value of gain? Gain can be written as IE upon IB. Ratio of emitter current to the base current is nothing but the gain in case of common collector connection in terms of change in current, that is change in emitter current to the change in base current. This value comes out as delta IE upon delta IB. As we know that delta IB is always less than 1, and hence the gain of this common collector connection will be given by delta IE upon delta IB. This gain value will also be greater than 1. So we will see here what is common collector connection. The common collector, in case of common collector connection, here the resistor is kept or applied across the emitter junction, and the input current is given by IB and output current is given by IE, and their ratio is nothing but the gain of common collector connection. Students, In this way, in case of transistor configuration, we have covered the points such as what is common base connection, where we have made its base as a common. Here, in case of common base connection, its input is given by IE and its output is given by IC, and hence its alpha is given by IC upon IE. Then, in case of common emitter connection, here input is made up given by IB and output is given by IC, and its gain is given by IC upon IB. Then, in case of change in current, output current, to the change in input current, this alpha value can also be written as alpha is equal to delta IC upon delta IE, and this beta can also be written as delta IC upon delta IB. So these points we have covered. Then in case of common collector connection, the gain will be given by, here collector is made common and gain will be given by delta IE and divided by delta IB, or delta IE divided by delta IB. Then we have also seen what is the relation between alpha and beta. Alpha and beta. Relation between alpha and beta. Beta is equal to alpha divided by 1 minus alpha. This is the relation that we have obtained in case of current amplification factor or gain factor in case of common emitter and common base. We have observed that the current amplification factor in case of common emitter is greater than 1, and it is in between 20 to several hundreds, and hence in most of the circuits the common emitter connection is applied. Also, we have calculated the common base connection value, and its value is always less than 1. Its value, that is alpha value, is always less than 1. It will not be greater than 1. Then we have also seen that in case of this formula, suppose we consider the value of beta as alpha upon 1 minus alpha, we know that the value of alpha will be at the max 1. It will not be greater than 1, and hence if we substitute this value of alpha as 1, then beta value becomes alpha divided by 0, and we know that anything upon 0 is equal to infinity. That is, gain becomes infinite in case of common emitter connection, and hence in case of most of the circuits we prefer common emitter connection. Thank you.